All right, guys, it's time for your 1 minute fitness break. What can you do in 1 minute? You can stretch out your neck. So if you've been like me all morning and you've been sitting at your desk doing a lot of work, all you're going to do is take your hand over your head so that your fingertips are the tops of your ears. Let your shoulders drop, and we're just going to drop over. Just let that ear fall to your shoulder, and you can just breathe through that and allow this side of the neck to open up. Then we're going to take our chin, and you're going to drop it down to the clavicle, so that bone in the front. Reposition your hand and pull your head down gently. And you're going to hold that. So you can come back and do these a little bit later. You're going to come out and back in, and you can hold these for longer. So again, hand over your head, just your fingertips to above your ear, and let your ear fall over towards your shoulder. And then just breathe and let the side of the neck open. And then you're just going to tilt your chin down to the clavicle, so the bone in the front. Reposition your hand, pull down gently, breathe and hold. So that allows the traps in the back of the neck to release, and then you're going to come back up and out the exact same way. Last one, interlock your fingers, place it behind your head, pretty much where your ponytail would be, and then we're going to drop the chin first, elbow second. So we're going to drop and elbows. You're not pulling your head, you're just letting the weight of your arms stretch out the back of your neck. So you're going to pull your chin in, like make a double chin, really pull it in, and then when we come out, elbows first, head last. Let's do that one more time for our 1 minute fitness break. Here we go as we exhale. Drop your chin down, drop your elbows, breathe, and hold. And again, you're going to come out the exact same way you went in. Elbows and chin. Guys, that's my 1 minute fitness break. You can hold this video, download it, replay it, and you can hold each one of those stretches up to 2 minutes. It allows the tension to go away. Okay, guys, until tomorrow, have a great day. That's your 1 minute fitness break.